This is my 1-year-old puppy Izzy. She is a Shih Tzu Poodle mix, often called a Shih-Poo. She's a delightful and popular hybrid breed. They are known for being affectionate, intelligent, and low shedding, making her a great companion for my family.
All right, sit. Sit. Turn your butt. Sit. 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 Yes. Because you a kitty patootie.
Don't smile.
No, I never tell her to jump up. Come, sit. No, sit. Sit. Stay. You have to say the commands because otherwise she'll do otherwise.
Easy, easy. Come here. Up, 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 up. Easy, easy, easy. Up, 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 up. All right. Up, 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 up. Up. All right. This is easy.
Miracle! Miracle!
Easy. Tell them about me.